Today we're diving into a whole new era, the internet-computer paradigm. Imagine an internet that's not just a space for websites, but a limitless tamper-proof cloud hosting everything on-chain. Data, content, computations, you name it. Stay tuned and let's find out. ICP, as it's known, or Internet Computer Protocol, is the backbone of the DFINITY project. Founded in 2015 by Dominic Williams, ICP envisions a decentralized internet by creating a blockchain-based infrastructure. The goal is to transform the traditional internet into a more secure, scalable, and open network where users have greater control over their data and applications. The Internet Computer is enhancing its capabilities by introducing support for Web3 AI compute units, and this means artificial intelligence will operate on the network, supporting seamless integrations with native Web3 applications, combining models and data in a secure and trustless manner. Smart contracts, a unique type of software running on blockchains, offer tamper-proof, unstoppable, and optionally autonomous functionality. They can process tokens and are easily composed. ICP uses what are known as canisters, a high-performance form of smart contracts. Imagine canister smart contracts on the ICP as the connectors linking some of the most crucial blockchains in the world. Their scalability allows the creation of social networks or complex enterprise systems on the network, simplifying development and envisioning a future without firewalls and centralized trust. This presents a compelling alternative to traditional centralized IT. ICP offers a bustling ecosystem with a variety of dApps covering everything from wallets to decentralized finance, social finance, NFTs, tools, games, and more. It's like a one-stop shop for all your decentralized needs. Now, there are currently 183 projects actively building on the ICP. That's right, 183, making it a decently sized and rapidly growing ecosystem. In contrast to many EVM-compatible blockchains, the Internet Computer adopts a reverse gas model. This allows end users to interact with smart contracts without needing a wallet or holding tokens. Just a standard web browser is sufficient. Developers fuel their canister smart contracts with cycles, the equivalent of gas on the Internet Computer, which is consumed to cover computation and memory usage costs. This model facilitates easy entry for users in the Web3, and developers have the flexibility to design custom tokenomic models for widespread adoption strategies. Let's talk about tokenomics in simple terms for the Internet Computer Protocol. They have their own cryptocurrency called ICP. And if you want to create your own tokens within their system, you use the standard ICORC1. Now, why do people use ICP? Well, it's like the money in their world. Use ICP to pay for things like transaction fees. Think of it like paying for services. Also, to have a say in how things are run, such as governance. And to do decentralized swaps, like trading without a middleman. And to reward the folks providing the computing power, the node providers. Oh, and about cycles. It's like the energy their system needs. You need to spend some ICP to make things happen, like computing or storing data. It's a bit like paying for storage on your computer or phone. But in the world of ICP, they call it cycles. So using ICP is kind of like having money and energy to make everything work smoothly in the digital world. Right now, there are 510.6 million ICP tokens available in total, and out of these, 450.2 million are actively being used and traded as of November 2023. Now, some people who own these tokens decided to stake them, and staking is like putting your tokens in a special account to generate passive income. Currently, 246.3 million ICP, which makes up to 48.2% of the total supply, are staked this way. And get this, over 82.7% of these staked tokens have been locked in for more than a year. The DFINITY Foundation plays a significant role in the development of Internet Computer Blockchain. It's a non-profit organization based in Switzerland and boasts the largest research and development team in the blockchain space. The foundation has generated more than 1,600 publications by its employees, received over 100,000 citations, and obtained more than 250 patents from its dedicated team. Dominic Williams, the founder and public figure of ICP, is actively involved in promoting the platform. Similar to numerous other founders, he participates in cryptocurrency conferences to showcase and advocate for ICP, spreading awareness and insights about the project. Regarding the roadmap, the team has successfully implemented a significant portion of the core protocol with a substantial deployment focus on infrastructure. Notable features like search engine optimization, boundary nodes, streaming support, and custom URLs, while system utilities and decentralized applications are also undergoing deployment. Their progress isn't as extensive as the first two components. Governance holds a particular importance for the ICP team, with most features successfully deployed utilizing 12% of the team's resources. And the development of the developer manager experience is another key focus, with the creation of toolkits to simplify life for developers. Lastly, infrastructure and operations are receiving a considerable share of attention, accounting for 17% of the workforce's efforts. In the initial stages of funding, ICP secured a substantial investment of $102 million from well-known venture capital firms A16Z and Polychain Capital. This financial support played a crucial role in propelling ICP forward, positioning it to compete with Amazon's web services. In terms of challenges, despite its early excitement and significant funding, the Internet Computer has not met the anticipated expectations. The value of the ICP token dropped by more than 98%, and its overall market capitalization fell from $9.5 billion to approximately $1 billion during the bear market. A key factor contributing to the ICP's decline is the lack of transparency surrounding its ecosystem. Unlike well-known blockchains such as Ethereum, Polkadot, and Binance Chain, it's challenging to determine the extent of development on the Internet Computer. Numerous apps within its ecosystem have either halted development or displayed minimal to no activity. dApps on the ICP such as OpenChat and DSCVR have encountered difficulties in attracting user adoption. For instance, the account creation process on OpenChat is lengthy, and they have currently halted accepting new members. Likewise, DSCVR, a community-owned professional network, lacks substantial content, resulting in a less than satisfactory user experience. Additional dApps like dFinance Portal and NFT Studio have confronted comparable challenges, showing minimal to no meaningful activity within their ecosystems. Despite facing challenges, the ICP is not completely inactive. There is still observable activity within its ecosystem as indicated by its Explorer. However, the lingering question is whether this level of activity justifies a market capitalization exceeding $4 billion. When examining GitHub, Dfinity has made substantial contributions to development, evident in their coding activity. Their GitHub activity is followed by 943 individuals, and a considerable number of developers actively contribute to protocol changes. Despite potential negative opinions about a brand, GitHub provides a reliable indicator, dispelling doubts and addressing questions about whether the brand is still active, which is clearly shown with ICP. To keep track of the latest updates from ICP, follow them on their social media channels, especially on X. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. I appreciate you tuning in for this overview of ICP, and if you found it interesting, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new. Until next time.